In this video, we are going to see how we can extract the profit and loss report in Teleprime as we are in the trial balance report. If you want to extract some more reports, I'll just go back to the main screen. I'll show you from the main screen. Press escape wherever you are. Press escape a couple of times until you see this gateway of Tele. So from the gateway of Tele, on the face of this dashboard, you can see the profit and loss account. But once we click here, you will notice that it is in the older format, which is a T format to show the profit and loss account. If you want to see it on a statement format, you can just simply configure it by just going to this corner, this right hand bottom corner, press F12, and the format of the report is condensed. I want to see the detailed report because as we can notice, it's only the groups that are showing here without the ledgers or individual accounts balances. So I want to show the reports with details. Just hit details here. And I want to exclude all the accounts with zero balances because we don't want that whichever has zero balance. And the statement form is also called the vertical profit and loss. Right now it's in T form. I want to show it in the vertical form. Just write vertical here, press Ctrl A, and that's how we can see the proper form of the profit and loss account. So as we can see here, we have made a loss of nearly 16,000. Now don't worry if you have some different balances. Like I said, you only need to correct the trial balances and automatically this balances will change. And even during the process of entering different transactions, we kind of make sometimes some mistakes, but that can be corrected easily but by just going to the daybook and checking each single transaction. And if you want to export it, the method will be very simple, but this time we will also see how we can get this report in PDF form. From the top, we can just export it, export the current report, and we want to export it as vertical profit and loss. The format will be detailed. The file format will be Excel, but if you want to configure this, I'll just click configure, and there we can make all the changes. File format, let's check. And here we have the PDF file available. Digital signature, if you want to mention some digital signatures as well, you can enter it directly here. So rest all set. Whenever you have set it completely, just go back by pressing escape. And now we can export it. The location is set, but we want to change the path, folder path. I'll change it to up. Just go back. Up, go to the C drive, Tele reports, and select that. Export this, and as soon as we export, it will immediately open up the profit and loss in the PDF format, and that's how it looks. So this is how we can export the profit and loss account in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.